ISO Lil Duval just bought some new koi fish and released them into one of the water bodies on his property. He had initially complained about birds picking the fish from the water as their initial numbers reduced.
Alright, we got the new fish just came in, new koi fish. Let's see what they got for us. Look at that. How many in there?
3 at least.
5. There's 5 in there. I got another some of this stuff too. You're gonna let it sit there for about 30 minutes. In 30 minutes, I'm gonna open it up and let it get in its new hive. It's pretty though. Look at that. This to like get them like comfortable. Yeah. Oh, acclimated with the water. Oh my God. All right, my boy. Look at they got their new boys in there. Yeah. You can see that bit? Mm-hmm. Wait till they get bigger. Zoom in on that black and white motherfucker. Now get back down in your squat.
I'm way taller than him.
That don't mean get on your flat foot. Flat foot. There we go. There we go. Now chill. I'm trying to make you live longer.
To the ground in me, y'all, so.
You see she got her hair down today, y'all. Looking all cute.
My baby shower this weekend.
She ain't got no baby though.
Fuck them kids.
Right.
If you have stayed with me to this point of the video, consider subscribing, hit the like button and leave a comment below. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.